Hey YouTube, how y'all doing today? I've been working on this washing machine, and this is the Whirlpool Thin Twin washer dryer combo laundry center, and it's model number LT7000XVWO. About a year ago, I was washing clothes, and then I came to check on them, and I seen that there was still water in the machine. So I took the clothes out and began to research what was wrong with the machine. And I seen that it was possibly the lid switch. So I went to go get one from the appliance parts store. I came back and I put it in. And when I put it in, now the problem is that it won't fill up with water. See, it's at the beginning of a cycle, and it's not doing anything. So it won't fill up with water now, which when it don't fill up with water, I can't see that it'll agitate. So it's not filling up with water, but what I have noticed is that when I put it on the spin cycle, it will spin now. So it changed. The problem changed from not draining to the only thing that it's doing now is draining. So what I have noticed, I've been noticing that washing machines can be reset some kind of way by unplugging them, and I've done that already. But I see this, and I'm just wondering, what is that? And I've been doing research online, and I just don't see a whole lot of information about this machine. I did see that I think it's about 32 years old, but it was in this house when I moved in. So I used it about 2 years, and then now I'm faced with a problem. I've already checked those and made sure there's no kinks in the hoses. I already unplugged it to make sure that the passages through the hoses are not blocked with some kind of debris. There's no leaks. The water is on. The water valves are on, because I turned them off when I took the hoses off. But anyway, on this particular machine right here is this piece right here that connects to the lid switch. The lid switch runs inside of this cover around like this, and then right here. So that's where it's located. So the one that the guys gave me was identical. The lid switch was identical, but that plug right there was not. This plug, the plug on the inside of here that goes to this. See, this right here is circle D. The male end is a circle, and a D shape male end. So this right here, the female end on this one is a circle, and a D. But on the new one, I'll go get it. Let me see. I have to set you all up right here just for a second, and I'm gonna go get it. Okay, this it right here. You see, that's not a circle. That's not a circle. The only circle here is in the middle. So, therefore, because this end was different, this piece was the same. This piece that plugs into there it's not even shaped the same at all. So what I did was I cut the wires right here. And I used the same wire setup that was already on the computer. And then I took the see, this is where and then the thing about it is it wasn't even long enough. It was about this long. See, it doesn't reach. So what I did was I cut these wires off, put the new one, this is the new one, and I put the new one inside here. And I left the old wires, and then I connected these two wires to the old two wires. So I cut the two wires and took the old lid switch out. Cut those two wires, took the old lid switch out. Cut these two wires, put the new lid switch in. Then I connected these two wires from the new lid switch to the old wires. The two old wires. So now the problem is reversed. But I do have a lot of questions about this machine right here. I would hate to really give up on it, but if anybody have any comments about it, leave the comments below. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.